Hello and welcome. If your coffee machine JURA has a problem, error number 8, this is of course didn't show you this number, but if we will power it on, it will show to us this error. So how to diagnose this error? First of all, if brew unit was assembled, we can test it, and this brew unit was moving very slowly. First of all, you can watch and see this rubber ring on top piston. Here it got this strange form. This is of course not as it must be. Now I will show you the new one. I think the difference you can see very easy. So if your ring on top piston looks like that, just go it to the trash and put the new one on your top piston. I will show you how to assemble your brew unit, of course, and two tips about machine. As you can see, there is much dust and mud in this machine, so my advice is first of all clean your machine, and then after that only assemble brew unit. When you take out your brew unit, first of all unscrew these two screws. You can see yellow metal parts. It was these two fixating screws, so unscrew them, and only after that unscrew two screws on your brew unit from this side. Of course, you can understand by yourself how to do it. This is easy. So let's assemble our brew unit. And one advice again, you can see black rubber part, ring of course, on this plastic little tube. You must change it on 100% every time you making changing these rings on your pistons. So let's assemble this. So take these gaskets and put in this way, here and here. After assemble these parts with little plastic ear, and here we can see hole for this ear. So put this part here and this part from the right. Then put this spring part from the right side, and we can assemble all drainage valve. First of all, we can set this 9-angle part here, but first of all, of course, we must change this black rubber ring. If you can't take it out, just take a knife and just cut pieces from this ring, and after that you can take this out. After changing these rings, we can assemble this part. Just gently push from the right side and move it to the back of this drainage valve frame. Now all parts on its places, so we can fixate it with this metal And next one step is putting this 9 angle inlet pad to its places and fixating by this metal pad. So next one step, let's assemble main cylinder with piston. So let's connect it with pads by this action and just take a look. These holes must be in the same sides. This hole and this such hole or something like this. Oh yes, now we assembled these two parts. And next one step, we will put this cylinder inside this main frame. Turn this part to the back of the main frame and then just move main cylinder to this JURA's trident or something like this. Yes, now it's correct. Then take our down piston or something like this, take a new rubber ring to it, add some grease, silicone of course, and then push it to the down of the cylinder. Just make a move. Now all in its places, and we can put this metal parts to the plastic ears of the trident and fixate it by these metal parts. If you take a look to the side, you can see how to decalcinate, destroy plastic pads of the coffee machine. This is a whole got don't 9 angles holes, but already looks like incorrect oval or ring. So next one step, let's put this metal rings to the ears, little ears of the tridents. JURA, of course. Yes, it's on its place. After we can put this drainage valve. Take a look what it must be placed here and here, and fixate very strong on its place. After that, we can assemble top piston. Put a rubber ring, put a metal shower, and after that put the Rema valve with its tube on its place. Put a top piston to the main frame. After that, take a gentle move to turn the main gear, it's white one, and put left leg and right leg of the brewing unit. Don't forget to put metal rings on the ears from outside of the trident, and only after that you can put left and right doors or something like this to fixate all parts of the brewing unit. When it clicks, they on its correct places. Don't forget in the end put this part plastic. It moves a coffee tablet in the end of the brewing process. Don't forget, does this doors fixate correctly? If they on its places, all is fine. And last action, put main gears in this correct way, and after that put all brewing to the machine. Don't forget to firstly connect it with tube to the inlet of the drainage valve, and then fixate gear by the two screws and this motor. It has two big screws what will connect it to these holes in the brewing unit. And now you will repair your coffee machine JURA. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.